The chapter is Exponents for Standard 7. Here we have going to find the value of x. So this is 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 2 to the power of x minus 2. So when the bases are same and it is equal to. So when the bases are same, this power has to be same. So we can equate the powers. So you have to write the reason. When the bases are same, powers can be equated. Similarly, when the powers are same, you can equate the bases too. So here we will equate the powers 5 equal to x minus 2, from which you will get x is equal to 5 plus 2 equal to x, from which you will get x is equal to 7. So here you have to find the value of x and y. You can write this as x to the power of y is equal to, how many zeros are there? 4. So you can write this as 10 to the power of 4. So x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 4. Y equal to 4 and x is equal to 10. So here 27 by 64 is equal to 3 by 4 to the power of x. We will convert 27 and 64 in this into 3 by 4. So we can write this as 27 can be written as 27 is 3 cube and 64 you can write it as 4 cube. So we will write this as 3 cube by 4 cube is equal to 3 by 4 to the power of x. So we will write this as 3 by 4 the whole cube is equal to 3 by 4 to the power of x. A to the power of m by b to the power of m, we can write it as a by b the whole to the power of m. So now bases are same, so we can equate the powers. So from this you can write x is equal to 3. The bases are same. Here this is 10, this base is 10, this is 100 and this is 10. So now we have to convert this also to 10, then only we can use the laws. So we will write this as 10 to the power of 6 divided by 10 squared, 100 can be written as 10 squared the whole squared is equal to 10 to the power of x, from which we will get now 10 to the power of 6 divided by 10 to the power of 4 is equal to 10 to the power of x. So we will write this a to the power of m by a to the power of n. We can write it as 10 to the power of 6 minus 4 is equal to 10 to the power of x. So 10 to the power of 6 minus 4, we can write it as 10 squared is equal to 10 to the power of x. So now the bases are same, so we can write x is equal to 2. Now here this is 49 and this is 343. So 49 you can write it as 7 squared and 343 you can write it as 7 cube. 49, 7 into 7 is 49, 49 into 7 is 343. So you can write 343 as 7 cube is equal to x to the power of 5. Now we can write this as 7 to the power of 2 plus 3 is equal to x to the power of 5. 7 to the power of 5 is equal to x to the power of 5. Here the powers are same, so you can equate the bases. So x is equal to 7. Here 2 to the power of 2x into 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 6. So now here all the bases are same. So now we will simplify this first. So we will get it as 2 to the power of 2x plus 4. A to the power of m into a to the power of n, a to the power of m plus n is equal to 2 to the power of 6. So we will get it as 2 to the power of, you have to find the value of x. So you have the bases are same, you can equate the powers. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 6. So 2x is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 divided by 2. 2x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. So the answer is x is equal to 1. So in this problem you see the base here is 5 and here the base is 625. So 625 you can convert into power of 5. So 625 you can write it as 25 into 25. 25 is 5 squared. 5 squared. So you can write 5 to the power of 4. So 625 is 5 to the power of 4. So we can write this as 5 to the power of 3x is equal to 5 to the power of 4 the whole to the power of 6. From this you will get 5 to the power of 3x is equal to 5 to the power of 6 into 4, 24. 8 to the power of m, the whole to the power of n is equal to 8 to the power of m into n. 6 into 4, 24. Now your bases are same. So we can equate the powers. So 3x is equal to 24. So we will get x is equal to 24 by 3 is equal to 8. So the answer is x is equal to 8. Here if you see this is 4 and the base is 2. So we have to convert this as 2 squared. 4 as 2 to the power of 2 so that your bases will become same. Then only you can equate. So 2 to the power of 2 the whole to the power of 4 is equal to 2 to the power of x, from which you will get 2 to the power of 2 into 4 8 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Now the base have become same. You can equate the powers. So x is equal to 8. So when you write in the exam you have to write the reason when the bases are same, equating the powers. And in this again you have this as 8 and this as 32. So now you should see how you can convert it to powers of 2. So 8 can be written as 2 cube into 2 to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 32. You can write it as 2 to the power of 5. So you should learn 32 is 2 to the power of 5. 8 is 2 cube, all these things, so that your calculation you can do it much faster. Now here it is multiplication, the bases are same, so you can add the powers. So from this you will get 2 to the power of 3 plus x plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 5. So now the bases are same, so you can equate it. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So the answer is x is equal to 0. So here again we will convert 9 as 3 squared into 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 6. So we will write this as, again the bases are same and you are multiplying. So you add the powers. 3 to the power of 2 plus x is equal to 3 to the power of 6. The bases are same now. We will write the reason as equating the powers when the bases are same. So now you will equate 2 plus x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So the answer is x is equal to 4.